Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Native English Academy. Have you ever wondered how native speakers talk about their daily routines so naturally? Today, you're going to learn useful English sentences and vocabulary that you can use every single day. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your daily routine with confidence. So let's get started. Part 1. Morning routine. Most people begin their day by waking up. Examples. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I make my bed after waking up. Then I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast with my family. Before leaving home, I check my phone. Vocabulary. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Leave home. Part 2. Going to work or school. Here are some common expressions. I go to work by bus. I walk to school. My office is close to my home. I arrive on time. I start work at 9 a.m. I study English during my free time. Part 3. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I have lunch. I drink plenty of water. I finish my work. I answer emails. I practice English for 20 minutes. I learn 5 new words every day. Speaking tip. Repeat these sentences aloud. Speaking is the fastest way to improve your English. Consistent daily practice builds confidence over time. Part 4. Evening routine. After work, I come back home. I relax for a while. I have dinner. I watch YouTube videos in English. I read a book. I spend time with my family. Part 5. Night routine. Before going to bed, I prepare for tomorrow. I set my alarm. I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 10:30. I sleep for about 8 hours. Practice time. Now repeat after me. I wake up early. I have breakfast every morning. I go to work. I practice English every day. I come home in the evening. I go to bed at night. Excellent. Outro. Great job. Today you learned how to talk about your daily routine in natural English. Try using these sentences every day, and you'll become more fluent little by little. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Native English Academy, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!